And now, live from the Coca-Cola Southwest Beverages Porch.
Good morning. The Tulsa nonprofit, The Opportunity Project, is working to make a difference in children's lives outside of the classroom through after-school programs. And the executive director, Lauren Sivak, is joining us this morning here on the Coca-Cola Porch. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So glad to have you here this morning. I want to hear all about the Opportunity Project, so tell us about it.
Of course. So we believe that young people succeed and our communities thrive when we invest in after-school and summer school programming. And at the Opportunity Project, we support the out-of-school time community by dialing in on 5 strategic priorities: advocacy, data, continuous quality improvement, partnerships, and professional learning.
And you all have a number of after-school programs within this.
Yeah, we are overseeing right now nearly 30 youth-serving organizations delivering after-school programming and 145 in-school professionals.
Wow, that's amazing. You recently had a student tell you something that I feel like is a perfect example of why these programs are so important. So can you talk a little bit about what he shared with you?
Absolutely. So it was during my first month with the Opportunity Project, and I had the opportunity to visit a couple of our schools for some observations. And it was during one of those site visits that I was chatting with a 4th grader. And he said to me, if I wasn't here, I'd probably be home alone. He was also waiting for his chess club to begin. And so the thing that I often think about is the work of the Opportunity Project is ensuring that no young person in Tulsa is sitting at home alone, but that they have access to after-school programming that is enriching, that is high quality, but it's also safe and supervised.
What is some of the progress that you've seen with the students who are part of these programs?
Sure. I think one of the biggest measures of our success is we are seeing an increased sense of belonging among many of the youth that we are engaging with, whether it's through a chess club, like I mentioned, anime, partnerships with Global Gardens, Under the Canopy. I also see kids showing up more. And so chronic absenteeism is on everybody's mind right now, rightfully so. It's not a unique problem for our district. It's something that everybody is facing. But because data is one of our strategic priorities, I know that kids last school year who were enrolled in after-school programming were on average 43% less likely to be chronically absent.
So this next year, COVID relief funding goes away,
yes.
And that means a lot of these after-school programs are going to be losing funding. So what does that look like for you guys?
Well, by the numbers, right now in Tulsa Public Schools, young people have access to 350 after-school opportunities. Without intervention, that number decreases to 75. And so we at the Opportunity Project right now are working on strategy and innovation to ensure that we don't lose the momentum of the millions of dollars of investment our community has put in the after-school and summer school time.
You all are going to have a trivia night benefit fundraiser that's coming up in April. Quickly just talk a little bit about what that's going to be like.
Absolutely. We are gathering Tulsa's brightest and brainiest for trivia night. It's called Data on Draft, so we're celebrating all of our data, but not all of the categories will be data specific.
Okay.
It is from 5 to 8, doors at 5, trivia starts at 6. There's going to be a couple of mid-round mayhems and an awesome prize for the ultimate winners.
Okay, so that's at McNelly's downtown on April 25th. Registration for it opens on March 25th. Thank you, Lauren, so much for being here with us. We'll get more information about the Opportunity Project linked up to our website. And while you're there, you can submit your ideas for our Coca-Cola Porch segment. That's at newson6.com/porch.